Parts of speech. Building sentences one word at a time. A step-by-step learning journey from Grammar Beats. Learn it, love it, that's the Grammar Beats way.
Start with a sentence. Let's look at one simple sentence. The little boy kicked the red ball. Who or what is the sentence about? It is about the little boy. Which word shows action? Kicked is the action word. Which words describe the object that received the action? The red ball. Every sentence is made of words and each word has a job. Let us now discover the jobs of these words. Every word has a job. Parts of speech are word families. Each word belongs to a family based on the work it does in a sentence. It is like a puzzle. The words fit together to make meaning. Noun gives you the names of persons, places or things. Pronoun takes the place of the noun. Verb shows us the action. Adjective describes the noun. Adverb describes the verb. Preposition shows us the position or relation between objects. Conjunction joins two sentences and interjection shows sudden feeling. For example, the happy girl runs quickly in the park. Let's respect every word and use it in the right place. There are 8 main parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Each family has a special job in a sentence. Different job, different family. Same team. Together they make our sentences complete. Color coding magic. Different colors help us see the jobs of words easily. Let's build a sentence by adding more word families. We start with a noun, dog. Now we add an adjective that describes that noun, brown. The brown dog now has to perform some action, so it runs. How does it run? We describe the verb with an adverb, quickly. Now we have a sentence. The brown dog runs quickly. Now we shall add a location where it runs. The brown dog runs quickly in the park. Now let us expand the sentence by joining another sentence to it. We will add the sentence, the brown dog runs quickly in the park, with it plays happily. We use and to join the sentences. The brown dog runs quickly in the park and it plays happily. Let's play a word sorting game. You can pause the video till you have completed the game. Read each word aloud. Think about its job in a sentence. Then place it in the right family. Let us play another game. Pause the video if you need time. Look at the highlighted words and explain what kind of job it does. Fix it. Correct the job. In this screen some of the parts of speech are wrong. Let's fix them. Pause the video while you work. Ready for the final challenge? Master the job. Read each sentence carefully and identify the correct part of speech for the underlined word. Now write your own sentences and then choose the job you want the words to do. Pause the video while you work. Well done. You have got it. You have learned, practiced and mastered the parts of speech. We learned about nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions and interjection. Thank you for learning with Grammar Beats. See you in the next lesson. Wrap up. Keep practicing. What we did today. We explored different parts of speech. Understood the job of each word. Practiced identifying the job in sentences. Fixed mistakes and improved our writing. Wrote and checked our own sentences. Remember, every word has a job. The right word makes our sentences strong and meaningful. The more you practice, the better you become.